बच्चे को इंसाफ मिले और मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। एक गलत इंसान ने एक मेरे बच्चे को मार दिया।
Well, he was just 23 years old, had a promising life ahead, but 23-year-old Akshat Garg's life was brutally cut short when his motorbike collided with an SUV, a vehicle that was driving on the wrong side of the road. Akshat, who was riding his bike on Gurugram's Golf Course Road late last Sunday, early in the morning when he met with a fatal head-on collision. Times Now was learning that this vehicle also had a BJP sticker plastered on it, on the bonnet. And naturally, you'll expect the man behind the wheels in the black SUV would have faced a stringent punishment for his action. His decision to drive on the wrong side of the road snuffed out a young life. But Guldeep Thakur, the accused, the man who was behind the wheels, was released by the police hours later. Even worse, he was released on bail on the very same day that he got arrested. Not just that, the police also admitted that the accused hasn't even presented them with a driving license yet, and the police may further add sections of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita in the case.
देखिए, ये दुखद घटना रविवार सुबह 6 बजे के करीब की है, जब मृतक गोल्फ कोर्स रोड पर साइबर सिटी के नज़दीक अपनी मोटरसाइकिल से जा रहा था और सामने से एक ब्लैक कलर की XUV 300 गाड़ी थी जो रॉन्ग साइड आ रही थी और जिसकी वजह से ये एक्सीडेंट हुआ और मौके पर ही मृतक की मृत्यु हुई। देखिए, ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस अभी तक पेश नहीं कर पाया है एक्यूज्ड, तो अभी हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है। जैसा कि आपने अभी बताया, लाइसेंस की बात है, इन चीज़ों के बारे में भी धाराएं ऐड की जाएंगी और यदि कहीं पर भी ये लगता है कि इंटेंशन उसकी खराब थी तो हम लोग इसमें गैर इरादतन हत्या के सेक्शन भी ऐड करने पड़े तो करेंगे। पर
15 सितंबर को सुबह 6 बजे द्रोणाचार्य मेट्रो स्टेशन से MBK रोड की तरफ से एक बाइक पे मृतक अक्षत है वो जा रहे थे, तो सामने से एक रोड साइड से XUV 300 गाड़ी थी जिससे टकराने से उनकी मृत्यु हो गई, जिस पे हमने अभियोग अंकित किया है जो भी रेलिवेंट सेक्शन है उसमें, और उसी दिन FIR दर्ज करने के उपरांत दोषी को गिरफ्तार किया है, उनका मेडिकल करवाया है और उनके खून के नमूने भी हमने जांच के लिए दिए।
Well, naturally, losing their son, the family is inconsolable. They have called the decision to release the accused on bail as a cruel joke on justice. The family is asking why the police is unable to help the grieving family.
मेरी यही मांग है कि मेरे बच्चे को इंसाफ मिले और मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। एक गलत इंसान ने एक मेरे बच्चे को मार दिया, बस मुझे इससे कुछ नहीं है। क्यों उसको छोड़ा गया, मेरे को यही है कि क्यों छोड़ा गया, उसको क्यों छोड़ा गया कि भाई मेरा बच्चा चला गया, लेकिन वो आराम से सोया उस रात, वो आराम से सोया, क्यों पुलिस ने उसको छोड़ा। बस मुझे यही बोलना है कि भाई मेरा बच्चा जो हमारा परिवार चला था, हमारे बीमार माँ बाप की सेवा करता, छोटी बहन को पालता, हमारे पालने वाला हमारा बच्चा चला गया और पुलिस क्यों नहीं हेल्प कर रही है हमारी, क्यों नहीं हेल्प कर रही। और मुझे कुछ नहीं होता है ना, मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना।
In fact, we've also tracked down that very same vehicle that was involved in the accident, and the extent to the damage just give you a sense of that deadly impact, that collision that happened head-on with Akshat.
This was a motorbike which was being driven by Akshat Garg on Sunday morning, which collided with a vehicle which was coming at a very high speed. And finally, after the Times Now coverage, the Gurgaon police have accepted that there's a need to add more stringent sections in the FIR. Police investigation is also showing that if at all needed, certainly they will be adding sections of BNS which will be of negligent act which result into death. This is a vehicle which had a Bihar registration number BR07BE5797, which was driven by a man who could not provide driving license to the police, and police can also add section. This particular sticker, which is on the front bonnet of the car, is also one of the reasons because of which the case was given a political color, that whether Bharatiya Janata Party was shielding the accused or not. But on the other side, the police is now on record saying that we are not going to give any kind of shelter or protection or extra mileage to any individual. Because of the impact, since the vehicle was coming from the wrong carriageway, coming from the right direction, where the car hit Akshat, and his helmet smashed on the windshield of the car. There were two individuals who were driving this particular vehicle, which is right now seen clearly empty. The key eyewitness has also said that we are not aware that whether the accused were in a drunken condition or not, but now the police has finally accepted that they will be adding more sections of BNS, which could be of negligent act which can result to death in this particular case.